Hey, it's Raymond here at the UMI Performance Race Shop in front of our 4055 frame repair kit for 64 to 72 Chevelle or other A-bodies. So as you know, with a 50-plus-year-old car, rust is a problem. But you can fix the frame with our 14-piece kit, part number 4055. They're cut from 1/8-inch thick US steel on our laser in-house. And the claim to fame is they're the perfect size to repair that hole in the frame. If you have any product related questions about any of the things you see in our videos, you can email us at sales@umiperformance.com. And if you have any technical questions, we're always available at support@umiperformance.com.